Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a crab with your hands. First, hold your dominant hand flat, keeping your fingers pressed tightly together. Next, gently bend your thumb inward towards your palm. This creates the main body of your crab. Ensure your other 4 fingers remain straight and close, forming the top shell. This is your starting point. Now, let's create the crab's distinctive claws. Slightly separate your index and middle fingers. Then, curl your index finger and thumb towards each other, forming the first pincer. Repeat this action with your middle finger and ring finger, bringing them together to shape the second claw. These will be your crab's powerful grasping tools. To give your crab some legs, extend your pinky finger and ring finger outwards from the main body. These will serve as the crab's walking appendages. For a fun detail, you can use your other hand to draw 2 small eyes on your knuckles. Adjust your fingers slightly to achieve a more lifelike crab pose. Your hand crab is almost complete. Wiggle your fingers gently to make your crab appear as if it's scuttling along. Feel free to experiment with different hand positions to create various crab expressions or actions. Now you have a fun hand crab. Remember to check the description for the Echo Dot link and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.